Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. I'm Dani B and I'm excited to show you the latest in Brunello Cucinelli spring collection for women. So as you can see, there are a lot of pieces here. This is going to take me a bit to get through. Just the pants alone, there's like 5 or 6 pieces. So I'm going to show you very briefly what they are and then I'll try them. There's a pinstripe top, kind of a tennis club looking, you think. Top here feels great, but I wouldn't do this. But I'll try it. And then there's another one in a crew neck tank that looks maybe pretty cool. You can see my Bomba socks in the bottom. It feels like a linen top. Well, it is a linen top. I'll give it a try. It's a little resort-ish. And this is what it tends to be, resort looking, so I'm not surprised. This is a silk top, like a little bit menswear-like. And this is a striped top. I believe it may have been in another video or maybe a slightly different version. So I'm going to get started and try these. There's a lot here, linen pants. So bear with me. You can click the 2X on, go into settings on YouTube and click 2X and watch this video faster. If you do want to see all the pieces, but maybe you don't have the time to sit there and watch how long this video will be. But I'm going to do my best to try these on as fast as possible, give you my rating as fast as possible and move on. So welcome to Brunello Cucinelli. I think this is video 5, but if on the screen it says something different, go with that. More soon. All right, first piece, forgive the crazy hair. I won't even bother to explain what's going on with this, but it's intentional actually. So yeah, just bear with me. A couple months, it'll look pretty cool. First piece, this is a cropped. I was a little surprised at that. It's also a snap. Snap here, no buttons. Brunello detail here is $24.95. It's 100% linen. This is a little, so I like a more edgy style. This is a little bit too resort-ish for me. Looks like what I bought on Maui, so I think I'm gonna pass on this one. But I just wanted to show you all what it looks like. So in terms of style, for me, this one looks style. This one's a 2. As far as wearability, I'm not gonna wear this, but is it very comfortable? Yes, so I'll give it a 4. And then in terms of value for me, because I'm not gonna wear it, the value would be a 1 or a 2, but I wanna show you what this piece looks like. So again, here's what the detail looks like, the color, the print, and so on. So I'll try the next piece. I'm gonna do all the tops first and all the pants last, just for the sake of efficiency here. So we'll get started on the next piece. All right, this is the next one, $13.95. It's a size medium. So keep in mind, the last piece was an extra small. It's running a little bit big. This is a medium, and it's running maybe a little bit big, but I like it like that. It's 100% cotton. That's $13.95. Very wearable, very cute, very simple. But is it anything like wow? No, it's not. So for me, the look on this one's a 5. Just simple and easy. Very wearable, 8 or 9. Particularly if you don't have a ton of fancy events to go to. Value, it's still a really expensive tank top, let's be honest. So I'm going to put the value of this one out of 4. So I'll try on the next one. Again, I don't see any Brunello like obvious statements here. Usually there's one, at least one. I'm not seeing it, but that doesn't mean it's not hidden somewhere, a little Easter egg. So on to the next. All right, here's the next one. This is a size small, extremely comfortable. Like they nailed the weight on this fabric. Not too light, not too heavy. It's absolutely perfect. I can't find the fabric content anywhere. I don't know. It feels like a blend of silk and cotton or something, but 1850, I think I said that somewhere. I think it's right around there. Here's what they did that they screwed up. I would totally get this sweatshirt because I would wear it all day. I can't do that. I'm not into logos and I'm not a tennis player anymore. I used to be, but not anymore. So I would feel like a wannabe in this shirt. And we have this t-shirt as well. So for those of you looking for it, I'm not going to try this one on, but you can see what it looks like if you're interested instead. This one's much cuter in my opinion. The weight is fabulous, but we need to take this off. Wow, I'm gonna cry. Anyway, but yeah, so for me, this one, the look, if it didn't have this, I would give it a 7. With this, I'm gonna give it a 4. Wearability, without this, I guess I can't do that, right? Since it has it. Wearability is a 1 for me because I'm not wearing this. The value, I mean, it's a very, very nice feeling piece, but it's still really expensive. So I'm gonna give it maybe a 3. This one here, for me, I would never wear this. The look, wearability, value, therefore, is all a 1. But I will tell you that this one's also a size small. So if you're looking for this piece, probably a size small if you are my size, which is 5'4". It's 100% cotton for this t-shirt. 5'4", 120 pounds, and my bust is a 34C, which does make things a little bit tight underneath the arm sometimes, but I know many of you struggle with that as well because you've shared that with me. So I will continue to help you find pieces that fit. And this t-shirt is $13.50. So between the two, for sure, the sweatshirt makes the most sense, but they gotta take the logo off. All right, next piece. All right, welcome back. Next piece, extra small, and it fits great. Well, a little bit oversized like it's supposed to. So the size is just so weird. You have to find somebody who knows your size at the store and to send you pieces, or if you're gonna go try them on, it's much better. So 100% silk, extra small, $19.95. I think it could be cute. If I had a traditional day job, I would probably jump on this as an easy piece. So one thing that's a really nice detail, you know, how they hide the buttons, right? I think I did show you a video of a Chanel trouser where the zipper was actually sticking out. And it sticks out, there's a little thing right there. So, you know, it's details like that we're paying for, but it's still less than Chanel. But for this one, the look for me is a 2, wearability, it's a 1. I'm not gonna wear it. Value is a 1 because I'm not gonna wear it. So this is what the back looks like. Does have a cool pleat here. For me, it's just not my style. It's not edgy enough. So I have 2 more tops to try and then I'll get to the pants. So I'll be back shortly. All right, I lied. There's actually 3 more tops. I did not see this one. This is a size 42. I have to go up because of my bust. So those of you who are in the same boat, go up a size when they are Italian numbers. If you're a 38 and for me, a 38 or 36 in Chanel, French number or French sizing, I am a 40 or 42 in Italy. So just something to be on the lookout for. I actually think this one's kind of cute. I have to dig further into this one and try it on again later, but just for a quick look, here's what it looks like. Very 90s-esque, which I love because I was X years in the 90s. For me, the look on this one, I have to, again, try it on with some things that I own and see how it looks, but you know, I would give it a solid 6 right now at first glance. Wearability, it's pretty wearable, pretty comfortable. It's just thick enough to feel substantive and not be see-through, but not thick enough to be annoying. Value, price is not so good for the piece, so I'm gonna give the value a 3. But here's what it looks like, again, for the back. And, you know, I probably wouldn't wear this with anything else. I think like this with some, you know, maybe, and I'll probably leave this one on for the pants to try on. Kind of a cool look. So, all right, so now I have 2 more shirts left. This is $19.95, it's a size small. I do remember trying this for all of you before in another video. So I think it was just resent to me by accident. So, you know, on next look, I do think it's cute, but it's too country clubbish for me. So for me, I'll show you up close kind of some of the details. For me, this one, the look is maybe a 3. I like the length of it and I like how it feels here. Wearability, I don't like stuff that catches my jewelry or my hands or my skin. That just, it gets annoying. So wearability for me is a 3. And price value would be a 3 because I'm not going to wear it. So now I have 1 more top and then we'll get to the pants. All right, so this one's $13.95. It's an extra small. Here's what I didn't expect. It's short sleeve, it's a balloon sleeve, it's very tight under the arm, so extra small would not work. This one needed to be a small. Just has a different style and fit and flare than I had expected. So here's the piece up close from the back. Because I'm trying to get through this video quickly, I don't have every button buttoned. I still really wouldn't wear this. It's not my style. For me, this is a look of a 3, wearability of a 3, and the price value, I mean, $1,000 for them is really good. For us, not so much, but price value, I think if you like this piece, it's a good piece for the value, so probably a 7. Okay, so I'm gonna put on something really simple. Try on all these pants. I'm gonna bring the camera down, so you're just gonna see from the waist down, and my Bomba socks. Exciting, right? And we'll go from there. All right, so first pant, hopefully you can see okay between the mirror and me. It's hard to get the camera down this low, but this is a size 40. It's 100% linen. Here's how it looks in the back. They're $21.95. Here's what I love. You can eat and still wear them. Elastic waist. You can tell you're in your 40s when you want the elastic waist. And nice deep pockets, so that's cool. Price is high for these, right? They feel really good on, I'll be honest. I don't usually like linen pants, but the fit on these is pretty great. So I would say the look, I have to try them again. The look, my initial reaction is that they're a little on the boring side, but that's not necessarily bad. They might be good travel pants. So I would put the look at maybe a 5, wearability at a 5. These are pretty comfortable, and the price value, very pricey, so I'd put that at a 3. So here's again from behind. They are long on me, so they would have to be tailored. You can see here, you can't see my socks so well. And yeah, so that's what these look like. Let me try on the next pair. All right, so these are a size 40. They're a combination linen and cotton, 60-40. So you look in the back. Do I think these are great pants? I do. But I hate high waist, so they're out for me. Even though probably with some of my crop tops, they may look cool. So for me, the look maybe is a 4. Wearability is a 4. Value is a 4. That's just my thought on these pants. Again, they did a great job with deep pockets. Actually feels good. Here's the little, touches that you see from the designer. And so I look forward to your thoughts on these pants and what you think. I mean, definitely they have more give and more comfort than the last pair that I had just shown you, but who can beat an elastic waist, right? So, but definitely with a crop, I have a lot of crops that I'm like, oh, depending on age, I'm not so sure I want to wear them anymore, but where that would look cool. And definitely the higher waist elongates the leg. I just always feel like I'm suffocated when I wear them, but I'll try on the last. We still have 4 more pair and then we'll get going. This is a size 40, 1995. It is just a white denim jean. As usual, they look great on the behind, but this one is a very unflattering fit to me, so I would certainly pass. I'd love it if they had a white jean that had some stretch to it. I would be all over it. This one, I'll look as a 2. Wearability, I wouldn't wear it. It's just not comfortable anywhere to me. So it's a 1, and the value, because I'll never wear it, is also a 1. Tiny bit of shredding detail, which I'm a little bit surprised by this designer, which is great. I think that's cool. I wish more of it was shredded, but that's just my look. So, this is a little bit off. It's not my body, it's actually the jean. So I'll try on, looks like there's 3 pairs of jeans, of colored jeans, and then that will be it. All right, size 40, 16.95. These are very tight 40. I know they're supposed to be mid to high waist. They look like mom jeans and not in a good way, so I'm not even gonna bother to show you the rest of them. The look is a 1 or 0. Wearability is a 1, and the price value is a 1 because I'd never wear it, although it does make your butt look pretty good in the mirror. Which is, Brunello's known for that. So, if you've got some things you're trying to hide, they're fantastic for that. So here's what it looks like, front and back. They are an ankle length, as you can probably see. And so let me try the other 2, which look a little bit more hip. All right, size 40, 16.95. I'm gonna come in close. You can see the acid wash print. It's very light acid. So nothing heavily 80s, but kind of a little bit. I think they're cool. I just don't like how they look in the back. I don't think they make your butt look good, and that's their like selling point. So for me, look 2, wearability 2, value, $13.95 for them is pretty good. So I'll give them a good solid 4 on that one. But very comfortable, by the way, and lightweight. So if you are looking for a pair of light acid wash, I think that these are a good alternative to some other designers. So I have one more that's a little bit darker color, and then I'll wrap up this video. Size 40, 19.95. So price point went up. Why? Well, 1. Yay, we got to the rose gold hardware too. There's some detail here. Different washes, but there's actually some Brunello detail. I saw it and now I don't see it. Here it is. You can see it here. And when they do that, they do tend to go up in price. I have noticed that. So great color, but again, they're just super uncomfortable to me. So unfortunately, these would be a no. I would love them to add stretch. Please add stretch. Brunello, if you ever watch my videos, which I'm sure you don't, please add stretch. Look, for me, this one's a 2, wearability is a 2 because it has no stretch. And at $2,000, they better be pretty darn close to perfect. So for me, the value is a 1. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoy all of my videos. If you have not, take a look. Tags. Take a look back through the old videos on Brunello if you're interested in. I just started trying them in winter, so if you're interested in looking at some fall pieces, I do have some, and some of them are on sale on their website. You don't have to go into the store. You can order online and you can return online. So they make it kind of easy to shop there. So just heads up for those of you that don't have a store close by, which is many of you. So all right, that's my 2 cents on these pieces. You can tell I was rapidly going through this. This is actually a workout. My little ring's probably going to tell me so. So thank you for watching. Looking forward to your comments and feedback. Have a great day and night wherever you are.